This professional carburetor is the heart of your gasoline engine. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek silver finish, it features precise springs and valves for optimal fuel and air mixture. It's the perfect upgrade or replacement part to restore power and smooth operation to your chainsaw, lawnmower, or trimmer. Installation is straightforward, giving your trusted tool a new lease on life and saving you the cost of a new machine. Scan the QR code in the top right corner to see the price and delivery options for this essential spare part. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and smart finds. Key specs include model number 1129-120-0653, compatible with C1Q-S126B trimmers, and sold as a single piece.